Balancing this gimbal is really simple because we have only got two motors, pan axis motor which is here and the roll axis motor which is here. The first step to balance is to unlock the phone holder by turning it clockwise. Pay attention to the marking on one side of the phone holder and then it shows where your camera direction should be. Have your phone holder in unlock position. Then insert your phone as center as possible. This is my back camera and it says the back camera needs to be this side. The phone camera which is here should be this side where you see this sign. It's really simple to balance this. All you need to do is to move your phone as much as possible to the center of the gimbal. So the center of the gimbal should be to the center of your phone. So you can see it is weighing towards this direction. So if the phone is falling towards one side, for example now it's falling to the left, you need to reduce the amount of phone hanging on the left side by moving the phone more towards the left. Do it slowly, very slowly, and then you can see here it's not hanging as much, but there is still a tilt towards the left. So move it a bit more, very few, and now you can see it's perfect. It's rightly balanced, and if I put it one side, it almost tends to be right at the center. And make sure your phone can rotate freely without touching the gimbal itself. Because my phone is massive, it can really touch the roll motor, but it is now balanced and it's not touching any part of the gimbal. So the bigger the phone, the harder it would be to balance it, and this is a massive phone that this gimbal is able to hold. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments below. If you want to learn more, please watch the other videos in here on the screen and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you.